Are you a shop owner with multiple locations? Well, if so, you've likely made hundreds, if not thousands, of instinctual, gut calls and tough decisions as you've grown your business. Today, I'm extremely excited to tell you about a set of new tools inside of Tekmetric that are going to make your life a lot easier. This new tool is called Tekmetric Multi-Shop, and with it, you're going to easily be able to manage multiple locations all from the same screen. The first big thing that's going to stand out is that all of your key reports are in one place. Easily find that key data that is common to multiple shops and access it all from one report. One of the big new additions within Multi-Shop is the Custom Financial Report. With over 50 customizable metrics to choose from, it's going to allow you to quickly compare shop performance, find what's working with your best shops, and easily replicate it across your other locations. With so many ways to splice your data, you'll have better visibility than ever before into what's actually making you money and what just might not be. Look at data from all of your shops, just some of your shops, or even pinpoint a single location. Now, more than just looking at your data, our multi-shop tool allows you to save more time as you build a stronger business. With the ability to manage can jobs, discounts, and other settings across all of your locations, Multi-Shop makes it easy to run a consistent operation from shop to shop. Your customers will get a seamless experience, and if you have multiple employees that bounce from shop to shop, it's going to be easy on them as well, and it will allow you to focus on growing your footprint, not just doing repetitive busy work. The more you use Multi-Shop, the more it can help you unlock insights that'll help grow your business. Already a Tekmetric user with multiple shops? You can sign up for Tekmetric Multi-Shop inside the app today. Of course, if you need assistance, you can also call our onboarding team as well.